Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you one more tutorial which you can just do on weekends or when you are going for a normal outing, like weekend outing. You can do that, and I'm just gonna keep my base and eyeshadow simple. Just gonna use a nice wintry lip shade. So without wasting any time, let's just begin. So I'm gonna start with the primer. I have already moisturized my skin, and I'm gonna use this Tatcha primer. This is a really good primer, but again it's expensive. It doesn't do something different to my skin. It's just a good primer, and it is like a $70 or something. So as I have purchased it, I have to use it. But will I purchase it again? Yeah. But it's good to have for winters, as in winter you need a primer which is also moisturizing and hydrating. So my old usual, I'm gonna use this Kevyn Aucoin color central skin color enhancer. It is actually a color corrector. So I'm just gonna put this into usual areas and just applied lip balm, so it will hydrate and keep our lips moisturized until we finish our makeup and reach to the lipstick stage. Alright, so this is my color correction. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna mix these three products. This is It Cosmetics color correcting and full coverage cream. It is a little bit oily, that's why I use it. So I'm gonna use this foundation from Urban Decay. This is All Nighter Urban Decay foundation, and I'm in the shade 7.75. And then also, to keep my skin glowing a little bit, I'm gonna use this CoverFx Moonlight drops. This is just a liquid highlighter, but if you use it with your foundation, your whole face is gonna be a little bit glowy. So I'm gonna mix all three products right now. So if you see the quantity, this is that cream from It Cosmetics, this is a foundation, and this is that liquid highlighter. So I'm just gonna use damp beauty blender, mix everything. You can also use face oils if you have any. You can mix it with your foundation to give your face more glowy finish. Foundation all the way down to your neck. I just always cover half neck because I don't like when the foundation goes on your sweaters or your tops, and then all this neck area you have to wash it all the time. So I just pull it till the half neck, and I'll make sure that there is no much difference between this side of neck and this side of neck. So my foundation is done. Now I'm gonna set my eyes first. So not purchased a contour or bronzer or highlighter kit yet. I would really recommend this one. This is from Smashbox, and what you get in here is a bronzer, a contour powder. These two are highlighter, this is blush, and this is under eye setting powder. So I used it and it looked so good with the makeup that I was wearing. So again, today I'm gonna use the same powder to set my eyes, as in underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna apply all over the area near eyes. All right, just a little bit on my forehead to give the same highlighting effect. I'm gonna use my normal MAC setting powder to just set rest of my face. This is the powder MAC Studio Fix I'm gonna use to set rest of my face. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna lightly apply all over my face. You might be wondering why I didn't do concealer. So whenever I use full coverage foundation or a mix of 2-3 foundations, generally my dark circles or the hyperpigmentation I have around mouth gets covered by the product that I use. So I don't need extra product to hide those things. If I use the concealer on top of the mix of foundation, it's gonna give me cakey look. So now we're gonna start with our eyebrows, and today I'm gonna use this old classic ABH Cosmetics Deep Brow Pomade and the spoolie and the brush. So I just like almost finished with this brow product, but it's the classic favorite and it never goes wrong, never. So first I'm gonna lightly brush my brows. Always start from halfway from here, so this part I can make as much darker as I want. Then I'm gonna do very light stroke at the front and just make sure there is a faint line going from here to here. And I have this hair which is troubling me. I'll just pluck it later. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna use this palette again. So I'm gonna use this shade for bronzing and this shade for contouring, and I'm gonna do this before I do eyeshadow just because I want to make sure the bronzing and the contouring sets onto my foundation for a while. So as you can see, I'm not applying much product, I'm just doing a light hand bronzing, and I'll do contouring in a while. So all at the usual places, perimeter of your face, and just lightly here. And I'm just gonna go over these small blemishes I have here so that I would try to hide them in the shadows. So for nose contouring, I'm gonna use this Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I use this because it has this pointy brush which I can just easily use to contour my nose. So I'm gonna just mark straight line here and make my nose look sharp. So nose contouring is done, and I'm gonna do the cheek contouring. So I'm gonna take brush like this and use the gray shade from the palette and just apply here in this area to create a shadow. So for eyes, today I'm going to Tartelette Toasted palette, and this is how it looks. And I'm gonna use this shade here, Cashmere Warmth, little bit for outer corner of my eyes, and this shade here, Sunrise, into inner part of my eyes. So I'm just gonna start quickly applying first shade, that is Cashmere, in my crease. So I have completed my eye makeup and also I have applied eyeliner. Today I have used this eyeliner from Kat Von D, but this is in the brown shade. So it is actually a dark brown color. If you see, it looks like black in the camera, but it is actually dark brown shade. And now I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna use this one from L'Oreal. This is Voluminous Sculpt Mascara. And if you want to see a tutorial on how to apply eyeliner, I have done a individual tutorial on that. So if you want to learn how to do eyeliner, definitely watch that tutorial. So to line my waterline, I'm gonna use this brown shade from Marc Jacobs. This is in the shade Brownie. So it's a brown shade. Generally, if it is day makeup or day friendly makeup, I always use more brown color in my makeup rather than black color. So for blush today, I'm gonna use this blush from Hourglass. This is like a pink and golden mixed blush, which is very day friendly. So apply just above the bronzer, and then a little bit on your cheeks. So you just have to smile and just apply it a little bit there. Today for highlighter, I'm gonna use mix of these two. This one I'm gonna more apply on cheeks, and this one more on my nose. A little bit on my forehead, and then this light shade on my nose. So it looks like this. So the final step, that's lipstick. So make sure you wipe off your lip balm before you apply liquid lipstick, otherwise it's gonna set on the lip balm, which is not a good idea. It can wear it off very fast, and you don't want that. If you're applying classic lipstick, you can just go over with your lip balm, but if you're applying liquid lipstick, just do not just wash your lip balm off. And today I think I'm gonna go with the red shade. So I'll do this one. So I'm gonna use this Dose of Colors red lipstick, red liquid lipstick in the shade Extra Saucy. So this is my complete look, guys. I just set my makeup using this all-nighter setting spray, which I use like all the time. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more of such tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next one.